In today's video, I'll show you how to add average engagement time per session in Looker Studio reports. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Log in with your Google account, and once you're inside, open the report where you want to add this metric. Next, click anywhere on the report to access the data panel. Go to Add a Field or Add Calculated Field. This is where we'll create the new metric. Give it a clear name like average engagement time per session so it's easy to recognize later. Now, in the formula box, enter the calculation using user engagement time divided by sessions. This formula calculates how long users actively engage on average during each session. Once the formula is entered, click Save. After saving, go to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources and click Edit on the data source you're using. Find the new field you just created and check its data type. It's usually set to number, which works fine, but you can adjust it here if needed. Now you're ready to use it. Add average engagement time per session to scorecards, tables, or charts just like any other metric. This helps you understand how engaged users are during each visit, giving you clearer insights into content performance. And that's it. You've successfully added average engagement time per session to your Looker Studio report. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.